Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to play Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga on the keyboard. I'll play the song all the way through and then I'll separate it into verses for you to learn. So this is how it sounds. So for the first line of verse 1, we're going to play which is C sharp, E, B, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp. So again, that is the second line is which is B, E, C sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp. Again, that is the next line is which is B, E, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp. And the final line of verse 1 is which is B, E, C sharp, B, E, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp. So that is everything for verse 1. Let's play it again. After verse 1, the next part to play is the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So for the first line of the pre-chorus, we're going to play which is B, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, E, C sharp. Again, that is. The second line is which is C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, up to G sharp, E. Again, that is. The next line is which is F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp. Again, that is. And the final line is G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp. So that is pre-chorus number 1. Let's play it again. After the pre-chorus, we can move on to the chorus, and again, this is how it sounds. So for the first line of the chorus, we can play which is F sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp. The second line is which is G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, A, B, E, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp. The next line is which is similar to the first line. It's F sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp. The next line is which is G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, A, B, E, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp. The next line is which is F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, D, B, A, G sharp. Again, that is the next line is E, B, B, C sharp, A, F sharp. The next line is A, F sharp, D, C sharp. And the final line of the chorus is which is B, 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 A, C sharp, A, G sharp. So that is everything for the chorus. Let's play it again. After the chorus, the next part to play is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of verse 2 we're going to play. Which is E, B, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp. The second line is E, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, E, F sharp. Again, that is. And then we're going up for the next line. This is how it sounds. So it's A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, C sharp, A, B. Again, that is. And the final line of verse 2 is A, D, C sharp, A, D, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, B, A, F sharp. That is verse 2. Let's play it again. verse 2, it's the pre-chorus, but this second pre-chorus is slightly different to the first, so I'm going to teach you that one. So this is how the pre-chorus number 2 sounds. So the first line of pre-chorus 2 is which is D, E, D, E, 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 D, C sharp, G sharp, E. The second line is E, D, E, E, D, C sharp, B, G sharp. The next line is which is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, 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 A, C sharp, B, A. And the final line is B, B, A, C sharp, B, A. So that is pre-chorus number 2. Let's play it again. After the pre-chorus, it's the chorus again, which we've already learnt, and then the final part to learn is the bridge. This is how the bridge sounds. So the bridge is just 3 short lines. It is C sharp, B, A, G sharp. Then it's up to A, B, B, A. And then it's just A, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E. That's the bridge. I'll play it one more time. After the bridge, it's the chorus again, and then that's everything for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.